Hello and welcome to today's Daily 5, the most interesting 5 clues in today's Times Quick Cryptic. First one here, improvement in Hampshire for many. This in thing here could be an indicator of what we call the hidden clue. And what we need to do is look at what follows Hampshire for many and try to see if there is something hidden here, literally hidden. That means you have to pick out letters which will make up your solution. If you focus on the last two letters of Hampshire, RE, and then FOR, and then the first letter of many, you get reform. And reform means improvement. So improvement is your definition clue, and this was the wordplay where we had a hidden clue. So your solution is reform. Next one getting left out to suffer superficial damage. So which one is a definition clue? One getting left out, someone being excluded, or what about superficial damage? Can this be a definition clue? So if we consider one getting left out as a definition clue, we have to think of a word that means excluded, ousted or something like that, dropped. But what about the wordplay? There aren't any indicators of wordplay in this section. So what if we switch and then we say that, okay, let's say this is our definition clue, suffer superficial damage or just superficial damage. And then this becomes a wordplay, this side. One getting left out. Getting left out means we know that left is L. So from something, you leave out L. One. Can you think of a word that means one? And then we can leave out L from there. And that would mean superficial damage. So one could be single. And then if you leave out L, then you end up with singe. And singe is some sort of superficial damage. So that's your solution. Number 3, English literature, fifth of subjects chosen. This is interesting because whenever you see fifth or fourth, fifth could be Roman numerals, or it could also be the position of letters in the word that comes after fifth. So when we say fifth of subject, so look for the fifth letter of subject. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's E. So by definition, this is going to be our, or at least still here, wordplay. So we have the letter E. So this bit is done. English literature. English is typically E. Literature could be lit. And if we add these E plus lit plus E, elite, E, you get elite. And that is your definition clue chosen. So that's the solution. Clue number 4. Gas satisfied hotel, a new source of energy. A new source of energy It's not what it looks like. So you're not looking for, I mean, you could look for a traditional source of energy like oil or something, but more often than not, it's the wordplay. It's the out of box thinking that we need here. So when we say source of energy, it is actually the first letter of energy from where energy begins, as if. So E. So this is a wordplay here. Okay, so that means some sort of gas is our definition clue. So this is our definition. It's probably a name of a gas, and then the whole of this is wordplay. So source of energy wordplay, we have deduced that it's the letter E, and it remains to see what we can make out from this. Satisfied, hotel. Hotel could be H. Satisfied is okay, right. So the answer is methane. How so? Satisfied is Matt. Hotel is H. A is A. New is N. And source of energy we had already deduced was E. So methane is the name of the gas. So that's your solution. Last one. A liberal was deceitful in league with others. A liberal, so typically a liberal would lead you to have A and L. If we think that this is the wordplay, this side, a liberal. What about definition? Definition will be on this side, with others or in league with others. So if you start with AL, then we think this side is the wordplay here. Was deceitful, deceitful, was deceitful, AL, was deceitful. Was deceitful could be lied. And the definition is then in league with others. Sorry, in league with others. Allied is in league with others. And that's the solution for today. Thank you.